For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and I would like to take a look at my daily income trading plan and specifically focus on the around the horn portion of the plan and talk about the difference between sort of a no-brainer trade and a trade that took a little bit more doing. So here we've got the trading plan for Coach, C-O-H. We see it's a short at $34.90, so we are going to sell short $34.90 with a stop loss at $35.29, the initial target at $34.33, and 50% of the distance to the target is $34.62. That's where we're going to move our stops to break even. Now this trade is a no-brainer, right? We see here that the stock opened for trading just above the entry price, went down, triggered an entry, oscillated around that entry. Stock hasn't done anything wrong at this point whatsoever. It's just traveling sideways. Then finally we get a move down through the entry price that is very decisive, gets us 50% of the distance to the profit target. At that point we're going to move our stops to break even, then down to 10 cents to the profit target, and that means it's time to move stops down to the 50% to target level and then down to the profit target, right? So that's an exit. And then we get to move back up to the entry price. Never gets up above our threshold, so we don't get a second entry on this one. The second entry would have been profitable as well. But as far as automating your trades goes, nothing's easier than this trade in Coach. So for all you guys who have been to my income trading boot camp or in the income trading academy or have just been trading this thing for years, this should have been a no-brainer, and I just wanted to put this up to reinforce the discipline. Now let's take a look at another setup. Second trade on Friday is GBX. That's Greenbrier Companies Incorporated, and we've got a $59.72 short sale with a stop up at $60.10, an initial target of $59.17, and 50% of the distance to the target is $59.45. Stock open for trading up above our entry price. We get a reversal move lower. It comes down through the stop loss, hits our entry, makes the move 50% of the distance to the target. At that point, we're going to go and move our stop loss down to break even, right? That's the discipline. We get 10 cents to the target, and it is time to move the stop to that 50% level. So once we're at the 50% level on the stop, we get a reversal, comes up, takes us out. We've got half the intended profit on the trade, and it comes all the way back up to the entry price and manages to go 8 cents above. 8 cents above is the reset on the trade. When I say reset, I mean all the parameters are reset. Now we've got an opportunity for a second entry. We've got a 60-10 stop on the second entry. We get down, we enter the trade, we get down here, almost hit 50% of the distance to the target. If we would have hit that number, then we'd be getting back out again at $59.72, but didn't happen, didn't ever touch the number exactly, comes back down, trades through 50% of the distance to the target. At that point, we move our stop to break even, moves down lower, hits 10 cents to the target, move our stop down to the 50% to target level, and then goes on and hits the target. So that's a money management trade. That's about following the rules that go along with the around the horn trading plan. Anybody can just go set an entry, a target, and an exit. That's fine. But where the skill comes in is making sure that you're applying the very, very simple rules that go along with the trading service to everything that you do over the course of the day. It's all about managing your risk, and it is all about capturing profits when they're available. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day on Friday, and I hope you have a really good one on Monday as well.